on in news from India in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The opposition parties and separatists have come together to challenge what they claim is the ruling coalition's move to alter the demographic character of the state. The state government, though, has denied the charge, officials indicating they're only issuing identity certificates to help a disadvantaged community. Take a look.
Kashmir's 20,000-odd West Pakistan refugees are at the centre of a political storm. The opposition and the separatists say the ruling coalition is trying to alter the demographic profile of the state by issuing them domicile certificates.
The president of the BJP, which is a partner in the ruling coalition, made a statement that this is just the beginning and we will give everything possible to ensure that their citizenship and domicile is created in Jammu and Kashmir, and from there started the controversy. And anybody and everybody who belongs to Jammu and Kashmir will resist it. Because state subject law is very dear to us. It protects our special status and identity.
2.5 million Kashmiri refugees are languishing in different parts of the globe, and including Pakistan. As a no country citizen is there, why don't government of India make some efforts to bring them back to their homes and hearths in Jammu and Kashmir, to settle them in their original homes?
The BJP has denied the charge, saying it was trying to do justice to a community which has been ignored since partition of the subcontinent in 1947.
No, I think what we need to understand is that this is a group of refugees who have been languishing without jobs, without livelihood, without employment for the last 70 years since independence, whereas their counterparts who chose to settle down in the other parts of the country rose to occupy the highest government offices, including that of the Prime Minister of India, Shri Inder Kumar Gujral and Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. Both of them were from West Pakistan, and therefore the nation owes it to them to ensure for them a dignified means of livelihood.
The state government later issued a clarification saying that only identity certificates were being given to the refugees. The government has also clarified that refugees from West Pakistan cannot take part in assembly elections or own immovable property or get a state government job. But they can, however, participate in parliamentary elections and can hold central government jobs. Bureau Report, WION.